Alright, in this second part of our ill-fated expedition to Sipalay, we get a new room at Sugar Beach House with a TV. Lynn accepts the Mirrors Too High challenge. We meet some local cats. I get soundly defeated by Mount Bandaran, and Lynn gives me a few smacks just for good measure. Check it out. Okay, so we're back. Yeah, there was a slight mix-up. There was a bit of confusion on the booking, and it has since been squared away. Thanks to the staff here for squaring it away. So, as I mentioned in the last one, there wasn't a TV, so there is a TV in this room. It's a small one, little divan, but it's a TV nonetheless. It also has a window, and it's got this thing here. I don't know what this thing's for. Oh, probably for storage. Air conditioner, we'll be using that because all my clothes got wet. And the aforementioned rack for stuff.
Why did they be so hard?
Art, because you guys know I like art, and that's some kind of abstract. And the bathroom's a little more spacious, it's a little bigger. And it also has a water heater. Because, man, I just don't travel without a water heater. Sorry. Don't do it. And this is actually made by Henry Winkler. It's colloquially known as LaFonza. Careful in Sugar Beach because everything clogs easily. It's going to be Boracay pretty soon. So here we are. Now I got to dry all my clothes. Because I didn't put my clothes in a plastic bag and they all got soaked. Not very smart. Hey, how about this for underwear? Philippine Dreams is a proud sponsor of Hanes. Hanes for the active guy. Alright, we're done. We're done. We're done.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, so we got one problem with the bathroom. It's the height of the mirror.
Why is it so high?
It's not quite high enough.
You're so high.
Almost. A little higher. Jump. A little further. Okay, so we survived our first night in Sipalay, and it is now around 12:30, and we're going out to get something to eat. And note to self, next time you want to do a little tropical beach getaway, don't do it when there's a tropical depression. I got some footage of the waves and everything yesterday. The water was like literally yellow from all the sediment that's been stirred up. And of course now the beach is just littered with all the trash and detritus that the storm brought in. Sugar Rocks is closed. He's in Switzerland, I believe. Up on the hill there's a resto, I think it's a B&B too. He's got going up there. And right now, hopefully we won't find any more dead cats. And Lynn is doing live casts on her Facebook, and I wasn't aware of it, and I was in my underwear, so that's kind of embarrassing. But hey, it's the Philippines. Who really cares, man? Who really cares? So now we're going over to Sulu Sunset. We'll just follow all the trash and coconuts to Sulu Sunset and get some lunch. Yeah. I don't think there's going to be any island hopping. I mean, the water's calm enough that you can bring boats in now. But yeah, note to self, next time, do not schedule a tropical island getaway during a tropical depression. Thanks to Typhoon Josie, who's now heading towards Taiwan, for all the flooding. We're actually really lucky we made it here yesterday. Anyways, okay, that's enough. All right, so the gracious manager has offered to take us up to the top of that mountain. And tropical depression Josie, and what better way to climb a mountain than in Chanela's, because that's how I roll. Let's hope everything works out. Watch out, this cat's going after a gecko. Right. Look at me. I've never seen a cat lick a person so much as this cat. It's ridiculous. She just keeps licking and licking and licking your legs, your feet, anything. She's might be brain damaged. She's a sweetie. You're made of sugar. You're Sugar Beach. Okay, here we go. Lynn's borrowed some water shoes and we're heading off. Freshly ground coffee. Yeah. And I'll be riding her up to the top of the mountain. Or him. I'm not sure which. What could possibly go wrong? Look. Little village out here. I'm trying to catch up. Sorry. Heading up the mountain. Hey, buddy. Prehistoric cows, man. Prehistoric cows. He doesn't look very friendly. Oh boy. Alright, we're leaving. Hindi ko mangita gaway, kuya. Hablo Chavacano. Our tour guide is Chavacano. I speak Chavacano. This is cool. Couple crocodiles, snakes. Don't tell them for this list of snakes. Oh my god. Oh my god. This should be interesting. So this one's Lynn's solution. She took the mirror off the wall.
Yeah, because I can read.
And placed it down on the sink. So now it fits. Phil Genius. Ooh, what's that? Okay, so you might have noticed that our expedition footage going up the mountain suddenly stopped. There's a reason for that. We made it about 80% of the way. I should say I made it about 80% of the way. And then it was just so slippery because we got this tropical depression that dumped 24 hours of rain over the last 24 hours. We went out on the 25th hour. And the last approach to the summit, it's called Bandarahan. Bandara is flag. So I guess back in World War II or something, they put a Philippine flag up there with the Japanese invaded or whatever. But kicked my ass. I got defeated by Mount Bandarahan because of these. Because I only had Chanellas and I thought it was funny and I thought I could do it and all that stuff, but it was really dangerous and I shouldn't have done it. But I survived, thankfully. I got all kinds of bruises and contusions. But next time, Mount Bandarahan, when I come, I will have my water shoes and I will be seeing you. And hopefully it won't be a tropical depression. So that's all the news that's fit to print. I'm here at Sulu Sunset. We're gonna have dinner right now. Get me some chicken curry, because that's all about the curry.
I hate you.
Oh my You're supposed to do that before, I think. Let me? Okay.
One more?
No more.
Okay, so it's Tuesday, it's 10 a.m. We're leaving Sipalay and the sun's out and it's beautiful. And we're leaving. As you can see, the damage done by Tropical Depression Josie was pretty intense. You guys were out here earlier, they're actually out here now, raking up all the coconuts and palm fronds and sticks. Went swimming yesterday, thought it was gonna be nice, and it was just, the water was full of detritus. It's really gross. So this is not the time to come to Sipalay, especially when it's a tropical depression. So we'll be heading back to Dumaguete. We're going back to Sulu Sunset for breakfast. And it's gonna be like a 4 or 5 hour trip back to Dumaguete on the motors. And hopefully, Angel, where did you been? You followed us all the way to Sipalay. And yeah, this is her Adirondack chairs. Love these. Yeah. No pets allowed. That's Angel. Good morning, good morning. And last night we were playing pool and I kicked Lynn's ass. But billiards. Angel. Yay!